See, every day we want to make different. Now I tried with the, what is this one? This is a prawns with the cashew nuts and healthy one and easy one. Let me try. Come on, yeah. This is take one vessel like this and put it this prawns inside. Already I washed and kept it here because I don't want to show all that things. Okay, just you take little bit of the ginger garlic paste, and next is the salt also don't add so much because if you're putting this one, it'll taste will be very nice. Okay, now little bit of oil. Okay, very less oil. Yes, that's it. Now you can mix it well and boil now. See, like this only. See, added little bit when I'm washing turmeric powder because the smell won't come when you're doing that. Okay, that's all. See, this is only for 2 people, 250 grams, more than enough. Okay, that's all. Now what we'll do, we'll boil. Come now. Yeah, one tip. Yeah, what is that tip means? Not necessary adding water in the prawns actually. Okay, see this one, automatically the water will come inside. Okay, no, see, now water will come inside. After that I'll close the lid. No, don't add any water, just water will come automatically. That's all. Yeah, now we'll do the masala nicely. Come. See, now the quantity is very less. Okay, if you want you can do it in the mixie also, but when you're doing with the stone, the taste will be very amazing. I can't even tell you. That's why next thing is we can sit, we can do some good exercise also. This is compulsory, nobody can stop this one while doing. When you have to cook, no, that time automatically you have to sit, you have to do this exercise. That is only one tip point, I think so. Okay, first you have to take, when you are doing this one, you put the kaskas. Okay, like this. Little water. See, how like chandan only, how soft this one. See, you can't even make it in the grinder. Yeah, this, it's very tough actually. I don't know, my mother, grandmother and all, they used to do, even the silpatta, my okay, now we are adding the somf. Okay, now all the ingredients you can add it, but first you have to do the gaskas only, then after that you can add anything you want it. Oh, aroma is very good, yeah. Okay, now you can add all the masalas. See, all the masalas means I will use very less only, but in this prawns and all, something different you wanted. Okay, little water you have to take. Good exercise. In the gym we have to do all these things, no? So you can use the mixie also if you're more, because I don't have that much of small one, so I can't show you people this. This is the fresh coconut I'm using. You can use dry one also. That is also nice. This one, when you're doing, don't roll it like this. The masala will stick everywhere. So you should not move this. This only moving. This is not rolling. That only good tip, okay? See, only one side. See the consistency. In the mixie it won't come like this, yeah. See. Small quantity, it won't come. That's all, your masala is ready now. Take the masala and we'll make it nice prawns. Okay, come. And the water vandachi. See the water, how much water. Oh god. Kadai is on for the prawns. Just I'm adding the oil, 2 tablespoons of oil and only 1 stick, because already we are adding so many masalas, so not necessary, just we are putting this one. This mostly I cut and kept it the onions, and this also I will show you how to. In this, you have to cut it very like thin. Already that's a very small thing, so and same thing, chilli also, how much you wanted, the spicy. I am adding more only I told you. So this is the onions. I'm adding the onions. Make it medium flame, yeah. Otherwise it will burn. So why, very quantity is also very less. And next is oil. Because if you're putting more oil, it won't burn actually. Otherwise it will be. So that is why you have to be careful. Make it in medium flame and close the lid. See, this is the reason I told you. You can add already add in the salt in the prawns also. Now I am adding little in this onion. So you have to carefully check it and do it. Now I am using, this is the desi tomato only I am using, because of that, the taste will be entirely different, because when you are using Bangalore tomato, the sweetness will be there. This is country tomato you are using, no, the taste will be very nice, especially in the prawns. Okay, you have to be choose which one you want it. Okay, now we'll do it. Now we have to check it. See the water. That is what I told you. And close the lid. Now again, what you have to do, we have to check it out. A prawn's color. This will become whitish color. Then I have to add little bit of turmeric powder also. Very less you have to add in this. Yeah. See the color when I use the turmeric powder, haldi powder. Again, close the lid. See the onion color, and don't make it brownish color. Don't make the onion very dry and brown. Now ready for adding the tomatoes. Tomatoes and curry leaves. Now let cook, because already we add the tomatoes, so it will cook. Now see, this is the color. Then I am adding, see, this is a chili powder. So now only I am adding the little bit of different taste, and with the cashew nuts very nice. So we are adding. We are not frying at all, because I told I don't want little bit healthy only. I want to make it. So I will add the cashew nuts. Now you can add this. We grind the masala, no? Just add it. That's all. Because I grind it this much, because we can't do it this much, no? So it's very difficult. So this is more than enough. Now you can mix it properly and close the lid. Why I am doing this masala and all? Because when you're putting the prawns inside in this before itself, then they'll cook more. It will become raw. Because of that reason only, just I'll boil it for 5 minutes like that before the prawns. Then again you make the masala and mix it. That's all. Very easy. When you are doing with the silpatta, this masala taste will be very, very, really I can't even tell you. You people can try at home, and the 2-in-1. One is good for your health, and next is your exercise. Always, I will think that one only I will do it. Now see, my masala is ready. Just have a look. See, no much oil. See the oil. That is the main reason I want to tell you people also. Not necessary so much of oil we are using, not required. Less oil, and make it in the medium flame when it's cooking, and close the lids. Then you can make it very nice one. And the flame is not very high. That only very, very important when you're cooking. So now my prawns is ready. Now properly you mix it. One, you can put this masala inside here, but you can see here properly. The water also there, see. Okay, that's all. Now add the water and prawns inside. See how nicely I'm grabbing, yeah. I don't want, why I don't know, wastage. You want more, I can cook, but I don't like to do like that, wasting things. Very less only I make it, because you people, whenever you want very less items, you can make it, not more, 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 more. See, now you can take it this stick, yeah, troubling me, like, I always remove like this only. Yeah, enough now. See, now you can increase your gas flame, because the water is there, then there is no problem. See, let's dissolve the gravy water just like that. See the flame and close it for 2 to 3 minutes. That's all. Yeah, see, yeah, if you want little bit gravy, you can leave it like this only. You want to dry, you can dry also. That's all. Okay. You want little bit gravy with the rice or chapati, you can leave it like this only. No, just you want to eat like a salad, some protein you want to eat, you can eat it like this only. Very easy one, no? Good protein. If you don't want to eat rice or chapati, anything, carbs, then you can take the only protein in body. And I put the little bit cashew nuts also, nuts also there, curry leaves there, some masala spice is there. Oh my god, so many things are there. No problem. Just you can make it high flame, then dry it. Both the things I am going to show you. One is dry one is this little bit of gravy type, and you can make it not necessary putting oil. Okay, this only you can be little stand in the gas, then do it like this. I don't want to waste my tomato, I don't want to waste my curry leaves, everything I'm going to put it here. I can eat it like that only, no? So there is no problem. Very small quantity, your prawns is ready, okay? That's all, yeah, over. Switch off the gas, ready for eating. See, yeah, now time for taste your prawns, okay? Now see how is this one. There's the cashew nuts, I can't take now with this. Okay, anyhow. Very tasty and very nice and very soft also. Now you people can try and let me know. Enjoy every single moment.